Have you ever felt like if you disappeared tomorrow, nothing would really change? Like people would just shrug and move on without you? That painful feeling isn't random. It's learned. And psychology explains exactly why your brain believes you're replaceable. Today, we're breaking down the 5 hidden patterns that create this feeling and why it follows you everywhere. 1. It starts in childhood. If your emotions were ignored, dismissed, or constantly compared to others growing up, your brain made a simple conclusion: I'm not that important. This creates what psychologists call insecure attachment. Your developing mind basically learned that your needs don't matter as much as other people's. This belief becomes the filter through which you see every relationship for the rest of your life. 2. You expect to be replaced. Your mind starts predicting loss before it even happens. A friend takes 2 hours to text back. They must be finding someone better. Your partner seems quiet? They're probably getting tired of you. This is called confirmation bias. Your brain cherry-picks evidence to prove what it already believes. So you start emotionally preparing for endings that exist only in your head. 3. You hide your real needs. You stop asking for too much. You say, it's fine, when it's really not. You become the low-maintenance person who never complains. Because deep down, you're terrified that showing your true needs will give people a reason to leave. But here's the problem. When you're easy to keep, you're also easy to overlook. People never realize how much you're actually struggling inside. 4. You constantly compare yourself. You look at others and think, they're funnier than me, smarter than me, more interesting than me. This habit makes you feel like everyone's backup option. Over time, this comparison game slowly chips away at how you see your own worth. You start measuring yourself against others instead of understanding who you really are. 5. You overgive to stay. You try to become irreplaceable by giving more, doing more, being more. You think if you just try hard enough, people won't want to leave. But this approval-seeking makes your worth feel conditional. You start believing you have to earn your place in people's lives instead of naturally deserving one. And that becomes emotionally exhausting. Remember, feeling replaceable doesn't mean you actually are. It just means your brain learned the wrong lesson somewhere along the way. And what's learned can be unlearned.